There's the loop in the line.
Okay, you want to pull back and there you go. Wow.
That's a nice fish, huh? That's a 15-pound fish. He's gone. Never touched him. Self-releasing hook.
Great, huh?
Yep, that was beautiful. Very simple. That was neat. Now, this through. And have the point of that goes in there. Now you pull it through with the leader, just to where the hook's at the back of the tail. And you pull the leader back to the corner of the mouth, go over the head, pinch the mouth closed with your thumb, hold the leader with your thumb after you take that wrap. Now you get the threading needle again, down through the head, and try to get out the center of the bottom of the mouth. About like that. Pull it through. There we go. It's nice and tight. Ready to fish.
All right. FBR, which has a conventional hook. And this is explaining why salmon are hard to hook. It comes out. Come up close and you'll see that there's no, see when he closes his mouth, there's no room. And the bigger the hook it is, the easier it is for him to flip it sideways. See, now when I try to close this on that hook, see it automatically flips sideways? Pull it and it flips out. See what happens? Pull it and it flips out. Here's the Bullet Rotator. This is why this system is, when fish closes his mouth, he can't flip it sideways. See, it acts as a treble hook. And when he closes his mouth on that, see, it don't move but a 32nd of an inch, and it strikes. Now, to release it, what you do is pull the sleeve like that, jerk the hook, out it comes.
Okay, I see ya. Good to have you out here, would you?